Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making the second recipe of the fall pumpkin series. This recipe is pumpkin ginger quince jam. Quince is a fruit from the same family as apple and pears and can be found in most Asian supermarkets this time of the year. If you can't find any, then you can replace the quince with apple or pears in this recipe. Let's get this started. So here is what we are going to need for this jam. 2 cups white sugar, half a quince, 2 cups Cinderella pumpkins, 2 limes, half a teaspoon fresh ginger, a pocket of pectin and water to dissolve in it. Cut the quince in half, then cut it in 2 quarters and core the seeds. Slice it into strips and cut it into thirds. Roll the limes to make juicing easier, then cut them in half and juice them in a small container. Now pour the lime's juice over the quince to keep it from going brown. Take your pumpkin and cut it into small pieces. We want them to cook down and soften in the pan. Grab a small deep pot and pour half a cup of water in with the sugar. Place it in a high heat and stir. Add in pumpkin and continue stirring. Then set to low and place the lid on for 45 minutes. Grate in the ginger and stir. Then mash the pumpkin into whatever consistency you prefer. Now drain the lime juice out of the quince and add the quince to the pot. Dissolve the pectin in water and slowly add it in the pot while stirring, then replace on low heat for another 45 minutes. Carefully pour into a large measuring cup with a spout, then transfer to a clean jar. If it is not clean, then your jam will go bad. Let the jam sit for 2 days at room temperature before eating. Then after 2 days, grab some toast, spread it on, and enjoy your homemade jam. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you want more recipes like this, hit the subscribe button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back next week to see what's cooking.